Hello again. Today we're going to be finding the exact or maximum number of turning points for a function, okay? So I'm going to look and see if I were to graph this, I want to know how many turning points there are, or is there an exact number of turning points or a maximum number of turning points? And what I'm going to do is I am going to find the degree of this function, okay? So the way I'll do that is I will multiply this out, okay? So I'll do x squared, and then I'll do FOIL on this. So I'll do x squared, and then it's going to be 4x plus 3x. That's 7x, and then last is plus 12, okay? But then I'm going to multiply everything by x squared, so it's x to the fourth, plus 7x to the third, plus 12x squared. Okay, so the way we find the maximum number, okay, so the graph of every polynomial function of a degree n, so this one has a degree of 4, so n is 4, all right, has at most n minus 1 turning points. So n minus 1 equals 3. All right? So at most. So my question is this at most? Is this the max, or is this exact? So is it exact, or is it the max? All right? And the way we check that is we look for zeros, distinct zeros from this, okay, from the original function. So I'm going to set my x squared equal to 0, my x plus 3 equal to 0, and my x plus 4 equal to 0, and see if I can come up with 4 distinct zeros. If I have the same number of zeros as the degree of this function, then it will be exact. If not, 3 is a maximum. But if there are 4 zeros, then this is exactly, there will be exactly 3 turning points, okay? Well, if I take the square root of 0, that's just 0. So x is 0, okay? So that's 1 turning point, okay? Down here, I subtract 3, x is negative 3. That's another turning point. And then I subtract 4, x is negative 4. That's another turning point. That's 1, 2, 3 turning points. But if I wanted to know, if this was exact, there would be 4 turning points. But because there's only 3 turning points, this is not exact. There's a maximum of 3. So the answer to this is finding the exact or maximum number of turning points. There is a maximum of 3 turning points. So there's a 3 and it's a maximum.